Well, welcome back to the BSA D7 Bantam rebuild, for want of a better word. Today what I'm doing is I'm making preparations, I'm prepping the battle space, as it were. Got my old tool chest here. I've had it a long time. Now, I've had tools all over the place. So what the plan today is to get this ready. Going to get all my tools sorted out, put my tools in the right place where they can be at hand. I've also got coming that's going to sit here. Tomorrow I've got a new workbench coming. Now, it says in the reviews that it's a good bit of kit, it's sturdy and all the rest of it, but the instructions for putting it together aren't brilliant. We'll find out, shall we? So I'm going to start. I've got my old tool set, box down here. I'm going to take all the tools out of that and I'm going to put them into the tool cabinet. So up here I've got Allen keys and the like, so all the Allen keys are sat there. In there I've got some drill bits and bits and pieces. That one is pliers and stuff like that. Then we've got spanners, so I'm going to sell all the spanners out. It might not look pretty when I'm finished, but there'll be bits in there that they'll be fine. All my screwdrivers are in there. And then I've got sockets and things like that. So I'm going to take all the sockets out and set them up right. Then in underneath, we've got, it's all a mess. So I need to sort out all the mess. And then, yeah. So I think what I'm going to start to do is, the easiest thing to do is to bring that up there. The top is fairly sorted out. So that is pretty much the toolkit roughly put to bed. Obviously there'll be a little bit more to do in sorting it out, but I'll do that in slower time so I don't bore you to death. So till the next one I think is going to be building the new table, the workshop bench that's going to go sit there. That's going to enable me to when I take things off the bike, put up higher so I don't have to keep bending down to do stuff. So until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. On the channel you'll find lots of different things, not just this Bantam restoration, but you'll also find everyday conversations regarding mental health. You'll also find ordinary people's extraordinary stories. There's a load of other stuff on there, little trips that I've done. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, stick comments on. It's always nice to get a comment whether you like what I'm doing or you don't like what I'm doing, or you give us a pointer in the right direction when I'm going wrong, because I will be going wrong. I am by no stretch of the imagination a mechanic. I'm more your demolition. When I've taken things apart in the past, I generally end up with loads of bits left over when it's gone back together. It generally doesn't work. I've always relied on a professional to get it right first time, rather than me screwing it up and having it costing more to get them to put it right. So until the next one, TTFN, ta-ta for now.